Why is Metallic Epoxy Bathroom so important and why you need to have it? So before we begin, these are the list of benefits that we will be referring to throughout the video. As you can see, our bathroom floors has zero grout lines, and as for our wall panels, the seams are drastically minimized. This particular benefit will eliminate all the problems that most traditional bathrooms are facing. Instead of spending so much time just to maintain your bathroom floors, when you can actually spend it with your family or doing something you like with Metallic Epoxy. When it comes to maintaining your bathroom with chemicals, most of you are afraid to use harsh household chemical agents such as bleach. But with our Metallic Epoxy, it wouldn't be a problem. So the main concern that most of you may have is whether your bathrooms are actually slip-proof. So right now, we're going to show you how effective our anti-slip finish is. The best part is that we do not require any form of hacking, which will save you the hassle, the dustiness, and the extended downtime that you may not use the toilet. We require only 5 days for us to complete the entire bathrooms. So we will start with the walls first and then followed by the floors. Whether or not you have old or new fittings, do not worry, we will do the dismantling and the reinstallation for you as an entire package. Let us shift into the new era of bathrooms for a modern lifestyle.